Yo guys, what is up? So that means day 3 or day 2 in Sibiu. I just came out of car 4. I had to get a SD card. I filled up all my SD cards right here. I got tons of footage of out here in Romania. Today we're thinking about going back up to the glacial lake because yesterday we couldn't really see properly. We missed all the views. It was super foggy. It looks a little bit more clear today. I got like 2 more days here in Romania, then I'm going to Turkey. I'm thinking about staying up. They're thinking about staying up there tonight at the glacial lake. It's super beautiful, super amazing. So we got to check that out. Might stay up there. After that, we got to at some point drive back to Bucharest. It's a 4-hour drive, 4.5-hour drive. My flight's on the 20th, so it's a couple days from now. So yeah, we're gonna hop in here. You already know I want to eat some langosh. I got some footage of that yesterday, but I need to eat some langosh today anyways because it's so delicious. We're gonna see how it is up at that glacial lake, and then we'll decide, see what happens from there, see where the wind takes us. So let's go. All right, so we've been driving along the road to go to the balea waterfall and the balea glacial lake, and we came across this interesting little festival with a bunch of sheep in the background. A festival with the natural products. And here we have the small, humble village of Karișoara. Yo, so we just whipped it back up to the mountain. Unfortunately, it's still foggy up here. It's got a little bit more of a rain going, a heavier sprinkle, but we stopped to get some langosh real quick, and we're gonna try to make it up to the waterfall.
Hello.
Yo, can I get 2 langosh?
Yes. This
What kind of langosh is this one?
is with brinza.
What about this one? The
This
yeah.
is with shunka, with meat and the cheese and ketchup. Spicy, not spicy.
What kind of meat?
It's from kurkan.
Chicken?
Chicken, but not chicken. It's in bigger than chicken.
Turkey maybe.
Da, maybe.
Get that langosh, see? Thank you.
Poftă bună, thank you.
Thank you. The waterfall up here?
Yes, but it's bad day to go at the waterfall.
Really? You have to walk to go?
Yes, it's a kilometer and there is the mountain road. It's bad.
You drive or you walk?
No,
if you walk?
Only walk.
Walk from here up?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Bye bye, thank you. He said it's bad to go, but you already know we're gonna go anyways. All right guys, I'm out here at this road by the waterfall. All these village folk are telling me it's not a good idea to go up there right now. We just asked another guy if there's any bears out here. He said, yeah, Urs, there is bears out here. So I'm still gonna go up there, which is pretty sketchy because the other day in the woods, a bear straight up, we were in the middle of the woods, and a bear it was real close, straight up growled at me and my friend. I'm not even playing, angry growl. Yeah, it was alarming. We didn't have bear mace, no axe, no nothing, but I'm a yes man, so I'm gonna go up this little thing here. I'm gonna go check out this waterfall. That's what I do. All right, back out into the wilds. I wish I had some bear mace. I don't. It is what it is though. Gonna have to get this. Seems like it's pretty uphill, and yeah. Right here we see a sign, Cascada Balea, means Balea waterfall. Right there. 30 minutes. Let's get it. Nice little spot right here. It's all glacial water. Woods. You know, there's a guy, I've read multiple books about him. He's a real inspiration for me. His name is Wim Hof, the Iceman. He's got a whole system for cold exposure, breathing, focus, and he's got a quote I read a couple years back. Really had an impact on me. He said, "I do not fear death. I fear to not live fully." And that's how I feel. What the heck? I think it's a dead owl. Yeah, that's an owl. Oh my god. It's a dead owl right here. I don't know what happened to him. As you can see, this is not a smooth trail. Bunch of rocks, big rocks. Gotta climb over them. And yeah, I'm on high alert because of the concentration of bears, which we already ran into one. Just gotta be careful. I don't even know which way to go. There's not even a trail right here. Just a bunch of rocks. Okay, I'm trying to find it based on this GPS. I don't know if I should cross the river and go up that way, or if I'm supposed to follow this like rocky path right here. I'm gonna go up here and see if it turns in the right direction. So I think this is the way. Got up that big incline. Gotta keep going. Bismillah. Ya Allah. All mountains all around me, foggy. It's nice, it's good. Kind of looks like the one I saw. I think that might be it. Pretty nice, not too bad. I'd like to get in the water, but I don't have any assistance up here. This is glacial water. The other day I got in the glacial water just for a minute or so, and I was feeling nerve pain and all kinds of stuff. But I'm gonna keep going a little bit. I see a little marker on there on the rock, the red one. This might not be the waterfall. Just gonna make sure that I catch the waterfall. I'm gonna keep going a little bit. Okay, I don't think that was a waterfall because I'm right here. And I see here more flowing water. Oh, it's all coming from this right here. scramble and a half right here. Up, up. Alright, as you can see, another red marker. I'm guessing that indicates the waterfall. I got a good ways up here. Gonna keep going. I'm gonna sit down right here for a second, take a little break. It's a good hike, good scramble. I'm gonna keep going here in a minute. It's beautiful up here. That house way down there is where I came from. You can see it. Climbed all this in elevation. That's the house. See some more red dots up there. I think we're almost there. We're on the edge of this. And that's the waterfall right there. The hike is a beast. To get up here, decent little waterfall. Straight up in the mountains out here. Okay, I thought I had found the waterfall down there, and I said I'll go a little bit further. Now I see it out in the distance. So yeah, I'm about to check it out right now. Thank God I didn't turn around. I had to pull an image up on my phone to double check, and I saw the one I was at wasn't it. I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice one. Oh man, look at that. Wow. That's amazing. Behind me, it's foggy, but on a clear day it'd be an amazing view. It's getting up close. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, that's sick. Yeah, this is a pretty good waterfall. I'm not complaining. As you can see right there, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's clearing up, which is nice. You get a nice view right there. That house down there is where I think I'm at. Pretty sure that's where I'm at. I think there's a road way up there somewhere to climb up there. I'm not climbing up there. I already climbed up all the way over here. But yeah, it's clearing up, which is nice. You can see way out there. There's a house. That's where I came from. Going back that way.